So over here, you can see that I have a sample page right here. So this is the home page, and over here, this is a link to my YouTube channel right here. And this is the sample right here. But over here, you can see that I got a link right here to the example page right here. So in WordPress, what you can actually do is you can have multiple pages where people can actually navigate. So to do that, I'm simply going to go around onto the WordPress, let's say, section right here. So let's just go around onto my home section. And then over here, what you can do is you can manage out pages for that. So over here, you can see that I have the example page. So let's just go around and add a new page right here. So now let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in let's say, for example, a contact page right here. So you can go ahead and add in a blank page as well. But let's say, for example, utilize some of the templates right here for contact as well. Let's say I want this. So I'm simply going to add that in. And let's say, for example, add this in as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on publish right here. So this is the contact page, as you can see right here. So now I'm simply going to go around and view the page around over here. You can see that contact actually pops up over here besides the example right here, just like this. So now you can go ahead and click the contact page, and now you got the example page around over here. If I were to go around onto the WordPress home again, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here. I can go around and click right here onto the home page. So let's just go around and view my home. And here you can go ahead and add in more pages as well. So you got contact right here. So let's just go around and edit this out right here. And simply go ahead and change this around right here. So let's just go back, let's say, for example, and then I'm simply going to go ahead and let's say, for example, do a quick edit right here and change around the contact. Click on update right here, just like this. And so for the example, let's just go ahead and quickly edit. And let's say, for example, type in sample right here and update it. I'm going to add a new page as well. Let's say, for example, and add in a third page. So let's just go ahead and add in a new page right here. And once I do that, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, go for events page right here. Let's just go ahead and select out this particular event as well and click on publish right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and view the page. So let's view the page right here, and this is what you have. So you see the contact, event, and sample page right here. So depending on the template, you will have more of these right here. You can also go ahead and then customize this out right here, just like this, and utilize the site editor just like this to actually control how that actually displays. So I simply went in over here. You can see that this is what you have. As you can see right here, this is how it actually shows up. But you can go ahead right here and let's say, for example, change this out. So here is the contact, the sample right here, and then you can actually go ahead and add in another link over here as well and change around the page according to how you want as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I can go ahead and let's say, for example, change around the justify onto the center or justify out onto the right, or have space in between them right here. So you can go ahead and change the settings out according to how you want, and then go ahead and view the site right here. So you can see that for some reason the code is not working right here, but depending on the template, you can simply go ahead and change this out and then make sure it goes around and works. So let's just go ahead, add in a bit of space right here. Just like this, to actually go ahead and then give it a space right here. So that is what you have. And then you can see that these are the sample events and the contacts. So it is what you have. So it's not loading correctly. That is how you can go ahead and add in pages as you wish inside of wordpress.com. And depending on the template that you use, this may be displayed in different ways and in different sections as well. And that is how you can add out new pages as you like inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.